Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to show you is how you can use Vlookup with a table to auto-populate a whole bunch of data. So I'll go to my taxonomy one down here at the bottom. Down here it is. And here I've got a list of these raw materials, which are actually apparently sponges. And they all have a particular phylum, class, orders. See there, phylum, class, orders, family, genus, species, etc. And what I want to do is that when I kind of enter the name of this particular one over here, that I can get it to auto-populate all the way across. Okay. So I go to taxonomy and I'm going to convert this into a table. So I click here, just click on, make sure when you're doing this, make sure you just click on one cell. I then come up here to insert, and then I go to table. And then I click OK. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the name species because I'm going to be using it later on in the formula. Table design. Come over here then to this one. And I just change it to species. And when you're naming a table, no spaces. Just press enter then to confirm it. Now I come back to my sample formulas. I click here, go up to my formulas, go down to lookup and reference, go down to my Vlookup. There we go. And I click over here on this one. And then what I do is I press F4 until it reads $B5 because I want to actually lock what I have in the column because it's in the column B, which is where I have all the raw material names. I'll be using that for all the formulas. I then go to my table array and I just type in species, which is the name that I gave the table. And you can see here it starts to appear over in this one. And then for my column index number, I go to the taxonomy and I just click on the column up here and then I press F4 again until it reads $1. And then I click false down here or 0 and click OK. And now when I copy it across, go over here, and then if I double click on the corner, see it fills in the whole lot for me. Okay. Now the thing is that if I come back here to, and this is why this makes it very handy, is that I come back here to taxonomy, and let's say I'm going to call this phylum, I'm going to call this all unknown. Unknown, and leave it there, and leave it at this one, also unknown. Okay, and I'm just going to call this, let's say, example. Okay, so see they've got all this one. Now, all I did here is that I just typed into the table. And if you notice here, this is the table down here in the corner. And then I click over here on my sample formulas. Now, if I just type in, see here, type in this one, and I just type in example. Watch what happens to all the other entries here at the bottom. See there, they all update automatically. Right? So that just makes this particular technique just really handy if you have to enter the same thing over and over again. Okay. Hope you find it useful. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.